जब मेरी शादी हो रही थी तो लव मैरिज, dated each other for good 6-7 years and then we got married and now like I said कल एनिवर्सरी और आज आपके साथ बैठ के डिवोर्स लॉयर के साथ में बैठा हूँ और मेरी बीवी पूछ रही है यही दिन मिला,
मेरी तो एनिवर्सरी गिफ्ट हो गई, you know।
तो शादी से पहले मेरी बीवी ने मुझसे 2-3 चीजें कही थी। उसने बोला कभी मेरे ऊपर हाथ मत उठाना,
नाइस,
कभी मुझे गाली मत देना,
वेरी नाइस,
और कभी मुझे छोटा मत फील कराना।
वाह,
आई सेड ये तो हमारी अपब्रिंगिंग में हम करते ही नहीं है, मतलब ये फैमिली में मैंने कभी देखा ही नहीं है और ये हो गया नहीं। तो और वो एक चीज है जो मैंने उसको बोला कि ये तो गिवन है, ये तो बोलने की जरूरत ही नहीं। नहीं, एक बार शादी से पहले बोलना था।
वाह,
गिवन है वाला नहीं, हाँ गिवन है, आई नो यू, आई नो हाउ यू आर, आई नो हाउ योर फैमिली इज,
करेक्ट,
पर मैं वर्बली बस बोल रही हूँ।
वाओ,
I said, wow.
हैट्स ऑफ टू हर आल्सो।
I said ये दोनों तरफ से होगा, ये नहीं कि तुम मुझे मार रही हो, तुम मुझे गालियां दे रही हो, ये नहीं चलेगा। तो शी लाइक हाँ ये नहीं करेंगे, प्रॉब्लम है, बात करेंगे, नहीं समझ में आ रहा है फिर देखेंगे पेरेंट्स के पास जाना है, क्या करना है, कैसे करना है।
See, that's why the marriages come to the sixth year, touch wood, yaar. Touch wood, you know.
Yeah.
And see, these are conversations which we were saying, na. Have these before the marriage to make marriages work, you know, and then you wouldn't sort of just get shocked. You know, a little bit of kindness goes a very long way. I mean, I remember our parents used to be very kind with each other. My dad was an Air Force pilot. I speak about him everywhere. I've dedicated my book to him also. You know, he fought 3 wars for this country. And he gave me so much of self-esteem. And I used to see him also talking to mom. And, you know, he used to always call her darling. You know what I'm saying? He was a nice, romantic man.
Wow.
Who never ever spoke rudely to his wife. And even if, you know, sometimes people used to say anything about mom, he used to just cover it up or change the topic. But he never blamed her for anything.
Wow.
And I grew up seeing that.
We'll need more men like him.
Absolutely. I mean, he insisted that I should be able to earn my living, which I think proved to be very, very fruitful. You know, when I was going through a rough patch in my life. I mean, he used to make me read the newspaper and say like 5 words every day, you have to do this thing. So I read a lot. You know, he said, you must do what you want to do, but you must be financially independent. This I'm talking about like someone I was born really late, you know, and he was born in 1931.
Wow.
And, you know, someone like that to have these views. And he always spoke about equality. So I grew up thinking I can do anything in this world. You know, and I never ever believed that men and women are not equal. Maybe that's where my thoughts come from.
Ji.
You know, I don't look at we're talking about justice. So I don't say that I'm pro men or I'm pro women. I just say I'm pro justice, pro doing the right thing. You know, and I actually credit my dad for that. I always say like he was the first feminist in my life.
Wow.
He shaped a lot of way, the things that I do. You know, I'm very, very proud of every little work that I do. You know, I started working when a lot of women would say, but why are you working? Don't you have money? I said, no, I'm working for my own self-esteem. You know, and education. And also, you know, this feeling, like I said, of equality. Like in my childhood, I write about it in my book. You know, we used to come because my father's getting posted everywhere. We used to come to Bombay and used to get Alfonso mangoes. And my cousin, you know, used to stay in my aunt's house. And they used to, you know, my cousin, he's a guy. तो उसको ज़्यादा मिलता था milkshake. And I said, यार ये क्या है? हम भी हैं, you know. So he said, नहीं लड़कियों को कम मिलता है. किसने बोला यार? मैंने कभी ये सुना ही नहीं था लाइफ में. You know, so he said, नहीं लड़कियों को कम मिलता है. I said, चलो पूछते हैं. So he actually asked his grandmom, जिसे हाँ लड़कियों को, you know, इतना नहीं मिलता है ना. I wrote to my dad. I said, you know, this is what he's saying. In the meantime, वो तो लड़ाई तो हुई. And I तो beat him. मैं तो बहुत clear हूँ, you know.
Love it.
So I wrote to my dad and, you know, this is what he's saying and, you know, how is this possible? And you never told me this and all of that. And I beat him and, you know, is that so my dad wrote back. I still know what he wrote. I was barely 6 years old. And he said that, you know, no, even मजाक में नहीं उन्होंने बोला men and women are not equal. So you know what he said? He said it is his house. You're a guest there. So when you come back to your home, you can have as much milkshake as you want. मजाक में भी नहीं ये बोला कि नहीं, you're not equal. He said, so you must be gracious as a guest and let him have additional milkshake. And he said, you are absolutely not to beat up anyone. So that also he wrote.
या
So वो अब मैंने थोड़ा कम कर दिया.
अच्छा, अब कम कर दिया, बंद नहीं किया, कम किया. मैम लास्ट 2-3 सवाल है.
Sure.
ये बहुत क्विक सवाल है. प्रीनप्स इंडिया में कॉन्सेप्ट है, इलीगल है.
Illegal. They're against the law.
They're against the law because बहुत
They're
लोग,
not valid.
क्योंकि आज जो मैं सुन रहा हूँ ना कि हाँ प्रीनप करा लेंगे, these are young kids getting married, तो वो वैलिड नहीं है. प्रीनप्स आर नॉट वैलिड
Prenups are not valid
in India.
in India.
Okay.